Okay, you guys, so as I stated earlier, if you saw my fall haul video, that I was I was trying to look for a fall wreath to hang on my door. But y'all, those things cost too much. They were like, I think $40 and $50, and it was just too much. So what I did was, I already had this wreath here at home. I went to Hobby Lobby and I showed you guys these things in my haul that I purchased for the wreath. I'm going to show you my inspirational piece as well, and I'm going to let you guys watch me do this wreath. So if you want to see how I do my DIY wreath, then stay tuned. Guys, there's no right or wrong way to do this. So we're just going to stick and go. Oh, I guess I need to take the leaves off. Let's see. Now you try to make it even. Y'all see me? Probably not. And if you don't want to, you don't have to utilize, like you don't have to put stuff all over the wreath. You can do it as much as you want. So, like I said, trial and error. Can y'all even see what I'm doing? I'm just kind of like bending stuff, moving stuff around. And if you want to, you can kind of take some of the stuff loose. You can bend the stem as well. Right-handed, so trying to get these things into the line, it's not easy. is a good video, you guys. It's just taking me a while. But you know how some people, when they video things, you guys, they make it look like it's so easy. So this is a true video of how things doesn't always, I mean, you get it done, but it's not easily accomplished. So far, you guys, I'm gonna do a little more tweaking to it and add my bow as well, and I'll show you guys the final results. I'll show you guys the final result. I did watch some videos of how to do this, so hopefully it'll turn out right. You just need to make sure each loop, the next loop, is slightly larger than the other one. So in other words, you got smaller, then a little bigger, longer, and longer. So you're supposed to go around doing that with each loop. And I probably did not make a longer tail, but we'll see. Trial and error, like I said. And you can make as many loops as you want, but make sure that when you twist, that you come out with the same, make sure this is on the same side, is what I'm trying to say. Oh, y'all can't see me. You make your bow as elaborate as you will like. This is my first time, you guys, so yeah. That's why sometimes I don't like to film me actually doing something, because it can take a while, especially if you're not used to doing this. And then sometimes I may not be in the frame and all of that. Okay, you guys, so far this is my bow. I'm gonna continue. I think I'm gonna continue. Oh, hold on, you guys, because I was about to say that I might finish this off. I don't know, it's like my loops are too. Now, I'm gonna do this offline. All right, you guys, so this is my final result of my wreath. Right now I do have it on the inside because I have to actually get me a hook to go on the outside of my door, because I was going to use the other hook that you kind of use for your Christmas wreath, but I don't want that, so I have to go out and get me another one. I do have one on the inside of my door because I had a Christmas wreath last year on the inside. But here is the final results, you guys, and I'm so sorry. I did try to record myself making this bow, you guys, but I kept messing up in front of the camera. It wasn't until I turned the camera off that I finally figured out how to make the bow. So yeah, this is my final result, and hopefully I did record. I had good angles on me actually doing the wreath, because it took me a while to also get the wreath done too. But here is the wreath, you guys. So stay tuned to my porch. That will probably be my next video. of me decorating my porch for fall. So I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, share, and like this video. Till the next time, you guys, remember to love yourself and stay true to yourself. Peace out.